right, good times ahead. We've got these Fox float evols here. We're gonna install these on our new machine. Now they're not a whole lot lighter than what's on there. Those are actually surprisingly light, those Velocity, what are they? Velocity, Walker Evans Velocity shocks. They're pretty cool. You wouldn't know it really. Can you judge a little bit of difference from them? But they are lighter. We've had really good luck with these. Check out those Fox Float 2s on there. I remember when the Fox Floats came out, those have been on a long time. I've never put oil in them. I've never done anything. They never sag, and we beat the tar out of them. So I'm gonna try these. The good thing about doing that is we get a little lighter, and these get to go on our RMK, because we're kind of switching out the old 16-axis RMK to the Khaos kind of style. We're gonna mess with the suspension a little bit and do a bunch of things. That's kind of the goal of the whole thing, is to make two really fun sleds. You know what I'm saying? So let's go and weigh these up, Kai. We'll put the old one, which is brand new, on there with the little gizmos that come with it. 1,700 grams, or we're looking at 3.78 pounds. All right, 3.78. And this one, with the little bushings. Oh, did we lose one? We lost one. Oh, here's one. 3.27. That's 1, 5. That's half a pound difference. So just about what'll be 1.2 pounds. Right? 1.2 pounds. Saved. I'll write that down right now. We're sub 440. It's still wet because we've left the oil in it, the coolant, there was some gas in it. And did you remove the blinker fluid? You didn't? So we left the blinker fluid in there as well. So once we remove all that, it's gonna be way lighter. Hey, bud? These little alignment bushings in here are kinda loosey-goosey. So if you just sort of give them a little squeege, it'll help them fit into the arms. There's that. You have to squeeze those in a little bit more. Now don't forget, the first one to write in the comments who saw the Power Mods beanie gets the Power Mods beanie. God, gotta love these little giveaways. Right on. Let's get on to this. Here, little chassis fender plug where you access this hole for the shock. You just push that little baby through there like that. Comme ça, like the French say. Oh boy, so make sure you go back over all these nuts and bolts and make sure everything is good and tight, eh? That's super duper important. Super duper. Because guaranteed I have forgotten something in here somewhere. I have no idea what the settings are like on that right now. There we go. Put this plug in before we forget. It's sort of cut out at the back side here. Make sure that goes in along the bulkhead, just to fit easier for you. Okay. Does the other one have a nut on it? I don't know. So there's your little pump that comes with the shocks. Can't forget this baby. No way. Because we're going for a rip tomorrow. This sled's a lot of fun.